Creek in 1896. Within a year, the Seattle Post screamed, "Go, go, go, get rich." 100,000 miners headed north to Alaska to brave the ice and cold. But more got paid by the White Pass line than those who ever found gold. In 97, the only way inland was to climb Luke Chilkoot Pass. Each miner had to carry up a ton of supplies before the mounties would let them pass. Sir Thomas Tancred and old Mike Laheny shook hands in a Skagway bar to build them a railroad and send off the miners in the seat of a railway car. It took 30,000 workers and 1,000,000 pounds of powder just to lay 100-mile of track. 35 men, 3,000 horses went to work and never came back. Rising more than half a mile through the mountains and the glaciers, bringing back those sacks of gold. That shiny steam engine and the narrow gauge cars of the White Pass Railroad. Blasted off sections of solid rock walls, carving tunnels through the ridge. The thunder and the roar would echo through the valleys and the sides of those mountains fell. Heaney cried out, "Give me dynamite enough, I'll build you a track to hell." It took 30,000 workers and 1,000,000 pounds of powder just to lay 100-mile of track. 35 men, 3,000 horses went to work and never came back. Rising more than half a mile through the mountains and the glaciers, bringing back those sacks of gold. That shiny steam engine and the narrow gauge cars of the White Pass Railroad.
Aqua turquoise color, and that's because the bottom is coated in a substance called marl.
But the rail still runs there. You can ride between the cars, watch eagles fly as you roll past moose and bear. A majestic sight, but just hold on tight when the bridge breaks neath your weight. You're hardly known what the miners saw in the days of '98. It took 30,000 workers and 1,000,000 pounds of powder just to lay 100-mile of track. 35 men, 3,000 horses went to work and never came back. Rising more than half a mile through the mountains and the glaciers, bringing back those sacks of gold. That shiny steam engine and the narrow gauge cars of the White Pass Railroad. That shiny steam engine and the narrow gauge cars of the White